So in this video is about Android 11 and the upgrade process on the Pixel 4a. I'm sure it's the same for most Pixel phones, and the settings might be a little bit different, but it should be the same kind of process for system updates on most Android phones. So if we go through here first. So this is the website that it first gives you when you come to search for the update if you want to learn more. I think there's plenty of videos out there, so I won't go into exact details on the new features, but as you can see here, they're saying it's quite an important update. It's been optimized quite a lot, so there's a lot of features there that I think would be quite interesting for people. So these are just the highlights for Android 11. So as you can see, you've got conversations, content capture, predictive tools, accessibility, device controls, and privacy and security. So they obviously worked a lot on it to try and make it more straightforward. And as you can go down here, more detail about the conversations. You can find this website is actually, if you go to android.com/11, it will take you to this website, and then you can get more information. You can read through this at a more time. As you can see, now you've got chat bubbles, just like Facebook Messenger. They will get displayed when you get messages, and then also now you finally have built-in screen recording, and you can select and share. Just got easier as well on Pixel phones. So again, this is probably only Pixel devices, as it says, for this feature. And then you've got some helpful tools that predict what you want. So again, it's app suggestions, smart reply, and smart folders. So quite come in handy. And then again, control your phone with your voice. So I think that would be quite handy for people with disabilities. And then also without. You've got the device controls here. So you've got a new shutdown option now. So for the power, restart, and emergency, but you've also got Google Pay, and then also you've got home. So you've got the tiles, they look a bit like the ones from iOS. And you've got media controls have been improved as well. So it looks like there's a good improvement to help you if you're listening to music at the same time. And also here as well is quite important, I think, it's Android Auto, so you don't have to use the cable anymore. But again, it all depends on your manufacturer of the car and if they update it to support it as well, I presume. And then also around privacy, so you've got around there one-time permissions and permissions auto reset. So it says here, if you haven't used an app in a while, you may not want to keep it accessing your data, so Android will reset permissions for the unused apps. I think that's quite a good idea, because probably a lot of people like me install lots of apps, and then you forget, you don't use them for a while, and they're probably sitting in the background looking at your location and everything else. This is around the security updates. I must say, on my Samsung Galaxy Fold, I've been getting monthly updates as well, and I presume on your OnePluses and quite a lot of other phones, updates come through. And as I said, you can go through in more detail on that website, and I'll put it in the description. So now if we get started, so to manually check for Android 11 updates, you go into settings, you go to system, advanced, and then system update. So then it'll search, it might take a minute or so, and then it'll give you a rundown, and it should say introducing Android 11. The update size is 1.5 gigabytes, and you can basically hit install. I think my battery was too low so now it's on charge, so I can resume, and now it's downloading and install the update. Of course, I will speed up this process so you don't have to watch it for so long. So now you can see it as just finished optimizing the application. It says system update available. So now we click on restart now. And wait for the phone to restart. This is waiting for you to saw the phone finishing its optimization after the first restart. And let's try and lock it. Okay, and let's go down. So it's currently finishing the system update, and we'll have a look to see if we can go into settings to see if it's there. Go to about. Yes, and it says Android 11. And it seems to be this is the new Easter egg that you can have. And as you can see, it comes with 5th September security update and also the Google Play system update for the 1st of September and the baseband version, kernel and the build number. Okay, I hope you found this video useful, and if there's anything else you want me to have a look at, then please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.